All right, here is our next example. So it's the same number of digits on the left side of the decimal, and I grouped them by sections. So we have this number here, 739,000, because it ended in the thousands place here. This is the thousands house where it ends. 564 and 9. What do you think I'm going to say? Tenths or hundredths? Tenths, because it ended in the tenths place this time. Okay, so let me say it all together. 739,564 and 9/10. Okay, now let me add a couple digits at the front. Okay, let's say, for example, I have just these digits here front. Okay, so now I'm still gonna group the millions house together. Okay, so my entire millions house is gonna be grouped together like I grouped the thousands and the units. Okay, so let's say I group these. I'm sorry. Okay, how would you say that number? 23. So we have 23 million because it's in the millions house. So we have 23,739,564 and 9/10 because it ended in the tenths place. Okay, once you chop it off into the houses, it's way easier to read. If you look at this number and it's not in a place value chart, then it's a little scary because it's really long. But once we know how to break it up into parts and chunks, it's a lot easier. Let's try one more. All right, now this number has 11 digits. Okay, if you saw it, it'd be a little scary at first, but we know to chunk it now. Okay, so let's start at the beginning. How would you say that number? 508. Okay, you can't say and because and represents a comma. So you can't say and. So we just have 508 million. That's my millions house. 682,000. That's my thousands house. 157 and 7/100ths. Because I ended in the hundredths place. Let's put it all together. 508,682,157 and 7/100ths. All right. So in the next few slides, you're going to be trying some on your own. I'm going to record myself saying a number. I'll type it in as well. And it's going to be your opportunity to try to put the number correctly where it should be. Okay, so make sure you're listening carefully.